Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit and update your Facebook avatar in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to change your hairstyle, outfit, or facial features, I've got you covered. First is to open Facebook app on your phone and then log in onto the account where your avatar was created. So if you're onto your Facebook profile, just go ahead and click onto your profile icon here to proceed to your profile. And if you're onto your Facebook page, do the same thing. So click onto your profile here, click back again onto your name so that you'll get redirected here onto your Facebook page or onto your Facebook profile. Then right after, you'll have to click on editing here and you'll just have to scroll down until you find an avatar. So I don't have an avatar yet onto this page. So we'll create one simply here. And then we could choose any one for starters. Let's click on done. And let's just create this first so that we could try to see how we could update this later on. So I think we have gone ahead and created that one. So let's try to edit this. And as you can see, I have my avatar already in here. To edit this, there is an edit button here onto the upper part. Simply click on edit. Then right after, as you can see, you can now customize or edit your avatar. So you could try to change the hairstyle here first. Also, you could try to change its color here. So let's make it this one, red. Going back to the hairstyle here, let's change it to this one. Return it back. You could also change its makeup here. So like the eyes, you could add in some eyeliners, you could change the face shape, and many more. So you could also try to change the body here. So feel free to go ahead and adjust this as per your liking. Simply tap on the feature that you want to edit and choose your preferred style. And right after, just simply click on done editing to save the changes. So click on save and your Facebook avatar will now be updated across your profile, stickers, and comments. And that is just basically it, how you update your Facebook avatar. If you think that this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.